In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.
Welcome to Knockout Crypto. Thank you for following our channel. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you for following the channel. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Let's get into the video. Subscribe to the channel. Today's video is on IOST price prediction. IOST is an ultra-fast decentralized blockchain network based on the next generation consensus algorithm, proof of believability, led by a team of proven founders and backed by world-class investors. Our mission is to be the underlying architecture for online services that meets the security and scalability needs of a decentralized economy, unleashing the power of the blockchain. That's what IOST does. IOST is scalable, efficient, and secure. It's permissionless and neutral, decentralized, and immutable. The latest news, IOST among the top 5 blockchain projects in the latest Chinese blockchain rankings. IOST unveils official IRC 721 NFT standard. IOST joins BSN China Nationwide Blockchain Network. There's already on the mainnet 371,500 mainnet accounts. There's over 3 million transactions. There's over 444 nodes and 758 contracts. So that's pretty big for IOST. All right. So let's get to the price prediction. So IOST is up 17% today. It's ranked 98th on CoinMarketCap. The market cap is right at $49 million, right under $50 million. The volume is $73 million. It's going up. 12 billion coins is the circulating supply. 21 billion is the total supply. Let's just look at this chart. So it looks like we had an all-time high. Man, it got up to like what? All-time high for IOST is 13 cents, January 24th, 2018. All-time low was 1/10 of a penny, which we just hit March 13th, 2020. So we just hit the all-time low, and we're coming up from all-time lows right now. Now we're at 4/10 of a penny. So it has been moving up lately. Just look at the price for the past 3 months. We know the past 3 months have been COVID in the United States, COVID-19. So before COVID, we're at 6/10 of a penny. We hit COVID around March 16th. And right at COVID, we lost about half the value, went down to 1/10 of a penny. So wow. So COVID was a big change for IOST. And then IOST kind of struggled between 47 Satoshis, 48 Satoshis, 46 Satoshis, 3/10 of a penny in April. And then in March, we started to climb a little bit, and we just started to climb the past few days to 45 Satoshis. But the chart basically completely bottomed out. It was a bottom out chart. Like it had totally like a bomb had hit, right? So if you look at this chart, you can basically see it just basically crashed, right? You had like something like this completely crashed. It was completely crashed. So that's, all I'm going to give you on the price. I'm also going to give you the best liquidity for is that Binance IOST USDT pair. Binance is doing 9% of the volume, and then these other exchanges are doing some volume too as well. But yeah, it's amazing what happened to IOST in terms of price. It just completely bottomed out, and I think we're definitely can say with IOST the bottom is in, right? They're a project that has over 193,000 followers on Twitter, which is a lot. They're going to be partnering with Anchor to bring new, accessible, affordable node hosting solutions to IOST. Let's just get to the price predictions. I know that's what you guys are waiting for. So I get my price predictions from digitalcoinprice.com. The price prediction for the end of 2020 is 8/10 of a penny. The price prediction for end of 2021 is 1 cent. The price prediction for end of 2022 is 1 cent and 2/10 of a penny. For 2023, 1 cent and 4 tenths of a penny. For 2024, 1 tenth and 6 tenths of a penny. For 2025, 1 tenth and 8 tenths of a penny, and for 2026, two pennies. Now that's very conservative, considering that the all-time high was 13 cents. So it's very conservative. But when you have 12 billion coins, 13 cents is, it's not bad. But you have to remember, XRP had what 40 billion coins, and they got to $3. So not saying the IOST is going to do XRP, but just saying don't let the supply deter you. But 13 cents is the all-time high, so that's what we have for IOST as the all-time high. That's what we're going on. So these predictions here at Digital Coin are very conservative, saying that in the next 2 years, next 5 years, it can get to 2 cents. Very conservative predictions, right? And then for the rest of 2020, I want to give you guys the rest of the 2020 predictions. So for May 2020, we're at 9 tenths of a penny is the prediction, which is up 130%. June 2020, we're at this. I'm reading right here, guys. All right. So June 2020, we're at 7 tenths of a penny, which is 89% up. July 2020, we're at 9 tenths of a penny, which is 136% up. August 2020, at a penny, which is 146% up. September 2020, 8 tenths of a penny, 116% up. October 2020, 7 tenths of a penny, 72% up. November 2020, 83% up, 7 tenths of a penny. December 2020, 6 tenths of a penny, 50% up. So that's for the rest of 2020. So that's for your 2020 price prediction. I have another site that I use for this. It's called CryptoRating.com. The current IOST price is 4 tenths of a penny, and circulating supply is 18 billion coins. Our algorithm predicts that based on historical data, the IOST price will be at 5 tenths of a penny in 1 week and 5.3 in 1 month. Our deep learning algorithm predicts that IOST will be at 3 tenths in 6 months. Analysis of the cryptocurrency market shows that IOST price may reach 5 tenths by the 1st of January 2021, driven by potential interest from large institutional investors and more regulation expected in the field of digital currencies. The system predicts that IOST will stay around 5 tenths in 2021. 5 tenths in 2022, 5 tenths of a penny in 2023, 6 tenths of a penny in 2024, and 6 tenths in 2025. So this prediction as well is very conservative. We know right now, what are we at right now, guys? We're at 4 tenths of a penny. So this prediction is giving us a conservative short-term forecast prediction of 4 tenths of a penny, which is after 1 day, it's saying 4 tenths of a penny, 14% change. 1 week, 5 tenths of a penny, which is a 25% change. 1 month, 5 tenths of a penny, which is a 28% change. 3 tenths of a penny, which is 7% loss. In a 1 year, 5 tenths of a penny, which is a 21% gain. So in 1 year, it's saying that 5 tenths. This one is saying in 1 year, we're at 5 tenths too, I believe. No, in 1 year, 8 tenths. So digital coin price is saying at the end of 2020, we'll be at 8 tenths. Crypto waiting is saying after a year we'll be at 5 tenths. So 8 tenths of a penny, 5 tenths of a penny, both really conservative predictions. Now, when we get to the long-term forecast, digital coin price has it going all the way to 2 cents in 5 years. This doesn't have it as that going that high. This has it going in a year 5 tenths, in 2 years 5 tenths, in 3 years 5 tenths. 4 years, 6 tenths of a penny. 5 years, 6 tenths of a penny. So in 5 years, 6 tenths of a penny is what they're aiming for, right? So this is very conservative predictions for IOST. You want to take these with a grain of salt. They're very conservative predictions, okay? Let's go to the 14-day forecast, which is a little bit more detail. It's the same thing. The 14-day forecast from Wallet Investor is saying, hey, it's going to be 4 tenths of a penny for the next 14 days. Minimum price 3 tenths of a penny, maximum price 4 tenths of a penny. But they are bullish on it. The technical indicators are bullish on it, right? So we do see in the last 24 hours it's up 19%. It's the same thing here. And 1 day it's saying 3 tenths of a penny at bitch rates. 1 week 4 tenths of a penny. 1 month 7 tenths of a penny. We can also go to the technical analysis. If we go to the technical analysis on TradingView.com. So this is IOST Bitcoin. This is coming from Binance, I believe. The technicals say, and 1 day the buy is the summary is a buy. The oscillators is a buy. The moving averages is a buy on the 1 day, right? On the 1 day average, right? On the 1 week average. The 1 week average is a sell. On the moving averages and the oscillators is a sell. And on the 1 month, it is a sell as well. It's a sell on the moving and the oscillators as well. So That's what's going on here, guys. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Continue watching IOST as a project that is growing fast. The IOST token stands for Internet of Services Token. I want to just give you guys some data on that as well. But continue following Knockout Crypto. Knockout Crypto at knockoutcrypto.com. I appreciate you guys' support. Thank you for supporting the channel. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, guys. Thank you.
In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.